Okay, well, she's apart again for like the 9th time. That's a lie, it's like the 2nd. So that whole rad support area is what's in the way to get it in, get the radiator in. Once I get it in, probably gonna have to trim about 3/4, ½ inch off of this. Maybe trim some of that so the radiator can, hopefully, it's gonna go in one way or another. Cheers. All right, so it's in, mocked up, but it's not even going to sit close to where the stock should be. So right now it's touching the water pump pulley. So just need to lean it forward. It's got the hose. And it looks like it could live there quite nicely. No, the hood wouldn't close. So I need some fabricators to come help me get this thing mounted. Let me know. All right. Oh, we're gonna try this out. But I took this to my buddy's place and we cut it. So that was a solid piece of cross, and we cut that nice to make the rad fit, and then stiffen it up with some rebar, and cut these pieces flat so we can lean forward. And it looks like it might work, maybe not. We'll give it a try. Keep you updated. All right, rad is in. Upper mounts are in. Rad support's back in. So that's working pretty good. I leaned it forward, like again, cut there, welded some rebar. I'm gonna make some better mounts. I'm just mounted by these 2 little clips right now. It's all plumbed, and the clearance. There's clearance. It's just enough. Okay, so I had to lean the rad forward. It was easier than the opposite of pushing the rad from underneath. Those are spot welded. And still gonna wire it up. But here's my next problem. Can't close it. It's hitting the fan shroud. Yeah. Can't fucking close it. So we're gonna cut this, I think. Cut that fan shroud. Hopefully that gives it, maybe I have to take some of the insulation off. It looks good. Looks all right. That's it for me for today. So, cheers.